In front of me is XIAOMI 13 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. First of all, open Settings and scroll down to access Passwords and Security. Now click on Face Unlock under Screen Lock and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Start. Wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Then follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Over here, you can name your face data however you wish to. Then hit Done. Now, adjust all of those options however you want to, like allow face unlock when screen lights up, and when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on. As you can see, face unlock is working properly. You can always disable this login method by tapping on this switcher next to unlock using face data. Then enable it by tapping on this same one. If you wish to delete your face data completely, click on it at the top, scroll all the way down, and choose Delete face data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!